What's up guys, welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about how to get glowing skin instantly. Now when I say instantly, I mean legit instantly. We'll see how that happens in today's video. For this I have with me the Aqualogica Dew Drops and I have this in two variants. I have with me the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Juicy Dew Drops and then I also have with me the Aqualogica Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops. Now these formulations, if you look at them, first of its kind. I have never seen anything like this before. I sort of describe it as a blend between a skincare product and a makeup product because it sort of does the job of both very effortlessly, beautifully. So it adds an effortless shine to your skin, it adds that glow to your skin, it also makes your skin look healthy, plump, dewy, radiant. It does that job beautifully, and like I said, instantly it does that. So here's the thing about these drops, guys. These dew drops, they are very easy to work with, they're very easy to use, and they sit very comfortably, very naturally on the skin. The brand in itself is Aqualogica. You might have even seen me talk about Aqualogica in the past. Aqualogica is known to have products with lightweight, super lightweight, easy textures, very fast absorbing. Whether it's this, whether it's the other formulations, they all have very, very lightweight textures. So Aqualogica basically uses a very interesting patented unique water lock technology. They use the science of aquaporins to lock the aquaporin channels in your skin. What does this mean? It actually locks the hydration in your skin using a very interesting technology, very interesting science, and your skin just looks hydrated, feels hydrated, stays hydrated. Very easy hydration, very easy hydration, very well moisturizing for your skin. The products really work, especially for the Indian skin type. So our Indian skin generally tends to be more dehydrated. A lot of times you'll buy international brands and you'll be like, okay, this is really expensive international luxury brand, this should work for my skin, but then you're disappointed. Why? It's probably not hydrating your skin enough. So Aqualogica caters to that requirement of hydration for the Indian skin so well. It's suitable for Indian climates. The formulations, they are very clean, they are free of nasties like parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, sulfates, none of those things. Vegan, PETA approved, cruelty free brand, very clean, lightweight gel based textures, and they use a very unique formulations. Okay, the formulations, they have a very unique blend of fruits and actives, so they take the best of both worlds to give you the best of results. And the formulations, like I said, super lightweight, fast absorbing, very easy on the skin, guys. So as a result of all of this, your skin becomes soft, dewy, plump, healthy, awesome. It makes your skin so hydrated. So I have always loved Aqualogica products, and these two are like some amazing discoveries. So let's see what these Aqualogica dew drops are all about, and let's get started. So first I have with me the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Juicy Dew Drops. This is the one I've personally been using quite often these days. It contains watermelon, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, suitable for fair to medium skin tone, and it adds a pinkish tinge. The formulation is designed to give instant soft radiant glow, which I will demonstrate with the Aqualogica's half face challenge. So I'm just applying this on one side of the face, taking just a few drops and patting it down on the skin. Remember guys, this has to be the last step of your skincare routine, and I just like to blend this with my fingers. The skin absorbs it very quickly since it's such a lightweight formula, and as you can see, the difference is very visible. Where I applied the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Juicy Dew Drops, the skin is actually looking so much more radiant, so well illuminated. So it's great for giving your skin that instant soft radiant glow. For shimmery look, it makes the skin glossy, dewy and luminous, and has a fabulous light and dewy texture, gives you a pinkish tinge, and more suitable for medium to fair skin tones. I also have with me the Aqualogica Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops, which contains papaya, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is suitable for medium to deep skin tone, and it adds a golden tint. It gives your skin an instant glow. It leaves a translucent and luminous finish. The glow that it gives your skin is more gentle in comparison. So once again, doing the Aqualogica's half face challenge, taking just a few drops, patting it down on the skin the exact same way. This has to be the last step of your skincare routine. Blending it with my fingertips because that's how I like to do it. The skin absorbs it very quickly because once again, it's such a lightweight, easy formula, guys. Do you see the difference? It's instantly noticeable. The part of my face where I applied the Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops is looking much more bright, much more hydrated, much more glossy. So in case you're wondering, here's a list of differences between the two products. This is how they're different from each other. If you want, you can pause the video to read this in more detail. And here are a few hacks. You can actually use 2 to 3 drops of either of the dew drops with a moisturizer for natural looking healthy glow created as a DIY tinted moisturizer. You can also mix it with your primer for a smooth luminous finish and then proceed with your makeup routine. You can even mix it with your blush for a lit from within glowy flush. You can also use it with your foundation. I love how the dew drops are so versatile, super lightweight, non-sticky, giving the skin an instant soft radiant glow. The instant gratification of the skin making it luminous, glossy, dewy, guys, it's so amazing. So this, like I said, this formulation is sort of a blend between a skincare product and a makeup product. Now you know what I mean, right? If you ask me, I personally love both of these. They do such a fabulous job, like I just showed you, right? However, off late, I just find myself using the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Juicy Dew Drops because I feel like it works better for my needs and what I want out of it. Let me know in the comment section below which one would you prefer to use, or if you're actually using them already, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been so far. Both of these are available on Nykaa and Amazon. However, if you buy directly from Aqualogica, you can use the coupon code SWS2023 for flat 20% off on your purchases. You also get to be a part of Aqualogica's Fresh Water for All Purpose initiative, which is helping communities in need of clean water. With each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need get access to clean drinking water, and isn't that absolutely an amazing initiative? So hydration for your skin and water for communities in need of water. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. These were my two discoveries that I just couldn't wait to tell you all about because, like I said, super versatile, instant impact, instantly glowing skin, that instant gratification that Aqualogica is known for. You get that, right? That instant gratification, that's so nice, right? I mean, who has patience, right? Okay, so guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.